Hey, what's up guys? Want to do a video of a '07 Silverado I'm working on for a buddy of mine, actually co-worker, and we worked together for a long time. This truck has been sitting for a year and a half. Burned up a transmission a year and a half ago. It's been parked, and then he had somebody, I think a family member or something, said they could do it for him, and unfortunately cut all the bolts off the exhaust manifold, let the starter hang, break the starter solenoid, yada yada yada. Pull the drive line, don't have the straps or the bolts, and the starter bolts, has no clue where they're at. So he wanted me to do transmission. I did transmission, rear main seal, plugs, wires, coolant flush, oil change, rear diff service, and so now we got everything but the straps. We're still waiting on, so I can't test drive it on this transmission, but we just end up getting a rebuilt transmission with converter. I flushed coolant lines, all that kind of stuff. Got everything else done. We're just waiting on the straps so I could test drive it. And the key was on when I got it. Battery was stone dead. Wasn't very old battery, so I was able to salvage the battery. And like I said, this truck hasn't breathed life in the last year and a half. So here it is, back from the dead. '07 Silverado, two-wheel drive. Running good. Went ahead and cleared all the history or the relearn on the transmission because we put a new transmission in it. Cleared all the codes because they were all wigged out from the low voltage that it had when it dropped with the key on over the last year and a half. No codes come up on the scanner, nothing on the dash. Cleared everything now. Looks like it's running good. I just wish I had straps I could test drive it, make sure this transmission's working good. But as soon as I do, hopefully it's working good and he's happy. But this is a year and a half project sitting there that took me about, well, roughly 2 days of work. I work my normal job in between, so I had 2 full days of work on this thing. But like I said, I did a bunch of services, it's all caught up. All the check engine lights are off, ready for smog. Well, at least as soon as I drive it and get the monitor set. But it looks like, as far as live data goes, everything was good. And hopefully this transmission shifts good that we put in there. Got everything else going, got all the oil in it. Got it going. As soon as we get the straps, I'll get a test drive, and this will be ready for the customer. And hopefully he is satisfied that he gets to drive his truck he hasn't drove in a year and a half. So just wanted to bring you that, guys. It is back to life. Peace.